gonna make a 5-spice chicken teriyaki. We're gonna start with about a quarter or third of a cup each of light and dark soy sauce. We're making our own teriyaki sauce, by the way. For 8 chicken thighs, which is what we're using today, or 4 large chicken breasts, we're going to use about a quarter cup of each. Then we're going to add a couple tablespoons of light brown sugar. Good sprinkle back and forth over the bowl. A tablespoon of toasted, so nice and dark and thick again, sesame oil. 1 turn of the bowl.
I love sesame oil.
I know you do, sweetheart. Then we're going to add about a tablespoon of Chinese 5-spice. Just such great aroma. It's just delicious and layered, and I don't know, you could shellac my arm with this and I'd probably take a big chunk. I then bump it up a little bit by adding extra Sichuan pepper to mine, and then a little pinch of smoked cinnamon. It's just a little something, something that makes people go, what? What is that? Take a little warm water and get a couple teaspoons, couple little spoonfuls of cornstarch in there. And this will just thicken up the sauce when we're all done. Then you throw in your chicken. Oh, a lot of bird. There we go. And you're gonna let this set for a good 30 minutes. We get the skillet nice and hot. I'm using a 14-inch nonstick skillet. We're gonna take the chicken and you shake off the excess as we get it in there. And we're gonna brown this up in 2 batches. Now that's important. We don't wanna crowd the pan. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna grab a transfer tray. When these guys are done, about 7-8 minutes and looking really shellacked and gorgeous, we'll take them out. We'll add the other guys, and then we'll serve it up with some rice. You can make basmati or jasmine. Give it a good rinse, and I never cook rice in water. I always cook rice in vegetable or chicken broth or chicken bone stock. Why? Because you're adding flavor to the rice itself. Down here, I have a couple inches of water and a steamer basket over a pot to make simple steamed broccoli, or you can wilt spinach to go with the dish. You need something green on the plate, right? So we're gonna drop this in there. And when we put that second batch in, I wanna leave some space around it to char up 2 bunches of scallions cut into bite-sized pieces all around that chicken. And then the very last thing we're gonna do is add some minced ginger and garlic and leftover sauce. Let that all bubble up together, slide the chicken back in, and it's done. Okay? I think that it's probably safe, yep, looks perfect, to take the broccoli or broccolini, either or. If you use broccoli, though, trim the stems down, guys, so they're nice and thin. I think it's safe to slide this off and just let that hang out now. It'll stay warm for a long time, but I don't want to take it too far. You want to take it to a place that we call tender crisp. Still got a little bite to it, but tender, doesn't taste raw. But we don't want it to lose its beautiful color and all those great nutrients in it. We take the chicken teriyaki out. We add in 2 inches of ginger, minced or matchsticks, and we grate in 4 cloves of garlic. There's our charred scallions, and we're picking up all that great fond from the chicken cooking in the pan.
I'm fond of fond.
That's all the snibbly bits at the bottom. Then we throw in our sauce to thicken. At this point, drop the heat down to nothing, as low as it goes, and slide the chicken in to cook through. And we're going to take our steamed broccolini, or you can make wilted spinach, and pile that on one end of your platter. And then we take our chicken teriyaki, white or dark meat. Then we're going to take, oh. And the rice.